Hi, today we are going to be repairing this flathead screwdriver that is broken at the plastic connector. And so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take a piece of metal that I have and I'm going to cut it at that point and the other point, and then I'm going to stick it in, weld around, then I'm going to have a new screwdriver. So I went ahead and did exactly that, cut both sides. And then it was the perfect thickness, so it went in, just leaving a small space, enabling me to weld around it. And then I went ahead and did a few spot welds. And once that was done, now the only thing that was left was to roughen that surface, that handle surface, by using a grinder, a cutting disc, that is, by just drawing lines. That enabled it to achieve this rough surface that will help in the driving of screws. And then now what was left was polishing the welds, so that we have a clean finish. And finally, we're going to test it out whether it's going to work. So I made it a very long screwdriver. I just have one screwdriver. That's why I have repaired this one. I avoided buying another one because it's more fun repairing. So my hope is that you learned something new today with this video about repairing and giving things a second life. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.